Gimme. Gimme. Hey. Yo. Gimme. Give it to me. Gimme. Give it to me. Gimme. Stop. Yo, give it to me. Gimme. Yo, you bad nigga. You don't listen. See? Go. Go watch your show.
No.
Go watch your show.
No.
Yes. Go watch your show. Yes.
No.
Go. Go. Yo, I'm gonna beat you, yo. Get up. Yo. Go. Yeah, go. Get up. Go. No, no juice. The juice. There ain't no more juice. Go. Go watch your show. All that. Just go.
Really?
There is no more.
I gave it
Go.
to Ava.
Go eat. Go eat your food.
Go to night.
No, you didn't even eat your food. Oh, you going tonight? Lay down there. You go lay down right there. You're not getting no juice. You didn't even eat your food. There ain't no more juice. No. No. Oh, I'm about to beat you right now. Be quiet. Stop. You're not getting no juice. That's your fault. Your little head hurt.
Wow, who did it? Who did it? Daddy did it?
Point it away. Don't point at me.
Why Daddy do it? Tell him
No,
that no night.
give me. You're not playing that. No. Go eat your food. Come on. Come on right now. Come on.
Stop it. Hey,
Look,
stop.
you ain't even eat. Come on. Get up.
You're gonna
You got the night right here. Go eat your food then. No. You didn't even eat your food. No. I don't want to. No. It is on.
supposed to turn it off.
You don't even know what you're saying. Leave it. Put it down. Put it
She's
down.
gonna slowly open it. Leave it.
You want a beating?
You want to be in? Huh?
Nobody cares. Yo.
She turned back.
Yeah, she thinks somebody care about her attitude. No, give me.
That's dirty. Leave it.
Give me. Yo.
That's dirty. Put it down. Oh, that's dirty. That thing was.
You don't listen, yo, for nothing.
Give it to me. Get up. Go to sleep. Go lay down.
Really?
Stop crying, man. Good choice.
Oh, they're talking to you, so you won't be sad anymore. You didn't see it. Mine's still coming. Now, you want to be bad? Uh-oh. You can't even see it on this thing. Stop being bad.
Stop being bad, then. Come on. You gonna be a good girl? You gonna be a good girl? Stop crying. You want the monster to come back?
No.
Alright, so
stop
you better
crying.
stop.
You be a good girl? You gonna be a good girl? Okay. The monster's gonna come get you. Come here.
Alright, alright.